Hope you are all fine. And we are at the new unit, that is Unit 5, electromagnetic waves. Okay. So what is meant by this electromagnetic waves? Already we have studied about the waves, there are different types of waves, their properties, their significance, everything in the 11th standard, right? So here, what is the special type of wave? What is this EM wave? That is, what is this electromagnetic wave? That we are going to study in this unit. So this unit is a very small unit in your 12th standard physics. Even though it is a very small unit, the phenomena behind this unit is very interesting. Okay, so let us see what is the phenomena behind this electromagnetic wave. When we study deep inside this unit, it will be a very interesting and very exciting unit for you, I hope so. So now this electromagnetic waves have so many applications around us. Okay, so the things we see around us in this beautiful world is because of this electromagnetic waves. Okay, so all this in future we may study about little more application about this EM waves. Definitely there will be more application in the future about this EM waves. So this electromagnetic waves is some of the practically used concept in the physics. It is not like this physicist or this scientist done this one and this one find out this one. In the mari scientist sonnada patti we are not going to study in this unit. Okay, we are going to study the scientist told like this scientist elaborated from this, so many things we can say, but not only that. Okay, we are not just going to study about that alone. We are going to study about the how அதாவது இந்த phenomena பத்தி படிக்க போறோம். It is a very interesting phenomena. These are the very important topic which helps in your day-to-day life. Okay, so in using this field, okay, you can find out something new in this field. Okay, in electromagnetic wave, so many have find out so many things, but you can still find out some unknown factors are there, but you can find out that and you may become a expert in this field. Okay, so we have to study according to that, not just to study this and that and derivation and equations, not like that. We have to experiment from this. Okay, understanding this concept, and we are going to experiment from this. There are so many applications regarding this EM waves. Okay, let us see one by one the things we are seeing around us in this beautiful world. So many things we are seeing, even you are seeing this video, right? Everything is because of this EM waves. That is, the visibility of our eye is because of this electromagnetic. Not only for the visibility, it also plays a major role in aircraft navigation. Okay, so in which area the air that is flight is going, then what is the speed of the aeroplane, then what is the time of the takeoff, what is the time of the landing, everything we can calculate using this EM wave. Okay, this is one of the application. Then other so many applications are there, we cannot explain everything here. The another one application is laser surgery. You might have heard about the laser surgery for your grandfather or grandmother. Okay, using for the cataract treatment. Okay, so in earlier days this surgery is a major surgery because they will be operating in manually. Okay, but nowadays because of this electromagnetic waves we are using this laser surgery. We are using laser surgery for eye and so many factor things. Okay, so when you compare to the manual surgery, the patients that is it is very easy. It will not take too much of time. The patients can recover easily. So many they can easily go home earlier. So many advantages are there because of using this laser surgery. Then in radio and TV broadcasting, everywhere we are using this EM waves only. Because of this EM waves, we can broadcast the TV and radio signals. Okay. Similarly, in mobile phone, we are sitting here and somebody is sitting in London. We are talking over phone, right? How is it possible? Yes, it is also because of this electromagnetic waves. Then the remote we are using, right? Remote in the sense you will immediately you will think of the TV remote, right? So whatever the remote baby, all the remotes are working under the electromagnetic waves. Okay. Then also you might have seen a meter in the highways, right? The traffic police will be using a meter to measure the speed of your vehicle. Okay, in which speed you are going. If you are crossing a particular limit, it will sense it and alarm it, right? So such devices which is sensing your speed, right? That is also because of this electromagnetic waves. Likewise, so many applications are there. The microwave ovens we are using at home for baking cakes and so many things, or to warm up the food or something. Okay, for that we are using, for that also the physics behind that is electromagnetic waves. Okay, so likewise it has so many applications nowadays. In future there will be still more applications will be there. Okay, so we are going to study about this electro. I have just mentioned the applications. Enna application irukku appdi sollirukken. So we are going to study about this electromagnetic waves. So actually this electromagnetic waves plays a very major role in communication. Okay, in communication purposes, that we are going to study in a separate topic, that is your 10th unit. So no need to discuss too much about that here. So these are some of the applications. Now let us study what is meant by, what are these electromagnetic waves. What is this electromagnetic waves? Can you guess anything from the name? Can you guess anything? Yes, it is electric plus magnetic. Electromagnet in the sense it has electric plus magnetic. Okay, that means this waves has something to do with this electric and magnetic, or electric field and the magnetic field. Okay, so this electromagnetic waves is related to electromagnetic, electric field and the electric and magnetic. Okay, so it has, this waves has something to do. Still now we have studied about, in the first unit we have studied about the static charges, right? In the second unit we have studied about the moving charges, that is electricity. Okay, in the third unit you have studied about the magnetism. Then in the fourth unit you might have studied about, what you have studied, a moving, that is if the magnetic field is changing with respect to time, it produces electric field. That you have studied in the fourth unit. Okay, so in this unit what we are going to study is about these two. When these two, electric field and the magnetic field, combines, what happens? Okay, that we are going to study in this unit. So what is this electromagnetic waves? These are coupled time varying electric field and the magnetic field that propagate in space. Okay, coupled time varying. What is meant by coupled? Literally we will say this coupled. What for what we will say coupled? Something they are joined together. Something they are together, we will call it as coupled. Okay, so coupled time varying electric and magnetic field. That means this electric field and the magnetic fields are joined together. Okay, time varying electric and magnetic field that propagates in space. Usually we know that waves will propagate in space. What is meant by propagate? Everything we have discussed in your 11th standard. Okay, propagates in the sense it is moving, or it is displacing from one place to another. Okay, that is called as propagate. So electromagnetic waves are not nothing but, it is a coupled time varying electric field and magnetic field. This is the combination of, already I told, this is the combination of electric field and the magnetic field. Okay, that propagates in space, that is moving along the space, or they are displacing in the space. Okay, time varying electric and magnetic field. This is called as electromagnetic waves. So what is electromagnetic waves? Electric field and the magnetic field coupled together, and if they vary with time. Okay, time, if the time changes ஆகும்போது அதுல வேரியேஷன் இருக்கணும். Okay, magnetic field vary ஆச்சுனா flux vary ஆகும். So அந்த மாதிரி வேரியேஷன் இருந்துச்சு அப்படினா we will call, and also if it propagates in space, such a wave we are calling it as electromagnetic wave. Okay, sometimes you may not have a clear understanding about the electromagnetic waves in this slide itself. It's not a problem. I have just told you how the electromagnetic wave will form, that I have told you. In the upcoming slides you will definitely get a clear idea about this electromagnetic waves. Okay, so don't worry about that. Now just I told you how the electromagnetic wave will be So the electromagnetic wave is the combination of, usually the wave will be like this, right? So here it is the combination of electric and magnetic field. Okay. Suppose this is an electric field. This will be a magnetic field. Okay. This is magnetic field. Suppose this is a magnetic field. Okay. This is magnetic field and this will be the electric field. So this is what the electromagnetic waves looks like. That we will study it clearly in the for upcoming topics. Okay. So this is how the electromagnetic waves will. Normally when we talk about the wave, we will be just imagining like this, right? So this is normally a wave is. But electromagnetic wave, because it is a combination of electric field and the magnetic field, so it will be looking like this. Before starting this unit, I would like to say this. Electromagnetic wave emerged from Maxwell's equation. Okay, electromagnetic wave, it emerges from Maxwell's equation. Okay, before the Maxwell introduced this equation, nobody have any idea about this electromagnetic wave. அது வரைக்கும் electromagnetic wave அப்படினா என்னன்னு யாருக்குமே தெரியாது. Okay, still he discovered there is no idea about this. This is the mother of this electromagnetic. Maxwell's equation is the mother of the electromagnetic wave. It only give birth to the electromagnetic waves. Okay, so this Maxwell equation is very important. We will study the story of the Maxwell. Okay, how he found out this electromagnetic wave. That is very important. So I will definitely tell you the story of this Maxwell. So this from this equation only electromagnetic wave is derived. So this Maxwell, who was a physicist, he was working under a particular field. Okay, under the particular field in a sense, in the fourth unit, Faraday and Lenz, right? They told that moving magnetic field, that means if the time varying magnetic field, ஒரு கண்டக்டர் இருக்கு, அதுல மேக்னெட்டை வந்து நீங்க இப்படி மூவ் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா, time varying magnetic field இருந்துச்சுன்னா, definitely there will be a current in the conductor, right? That is time varying magnetic field will produces what? Definitely it will produces electric field, that indicates there is an electric current. Okay, so if the magnetic field, if there is a magnetic field, okay, if there is a time varying magnetic field, definitely there will be what? Flux changes. Okay, magnetic field, if the lines of magnetic lines of force changes, right? If the magnetic lines of force changes, flux changes. If the flux changes, what? EMF is induced. You might have studied in the fourth unit. EMF is induced. If the EMF is induced, definitely there will be current. Okay, so this is what said by Faraday and Lenz. Okay, this is what said by Faraday and Lenz. What Maxwell trying to say is, if the moving that is if the time varying magnetic field produces current, why can't the time varying electric field can produce a magnetic field? That is his question. Okay, so இப்படி இருந்துச்சுனா ஏன் அப்படி இருக்க கூடாது? Just he was proposing. Okay, he not found out experimentally yet, but he was proposing. ஏன் இப்படி? He was thinking of that and he was working under the field. Okay, so and after that working under the field, he found out the electromagnetic wave. I will tell you the clear story how he found out the how he found out the electromagnetic wave from this Maxwell equation. How did he derive this Maxwell equation? From that, how did he found out this electromagnetic wave? Everything I will be explaining in the next topic or next video. Until then, I hope that you could understand about what is electromagnetic wave and how it is produced and what are the causes of the electromagnetic wave. Thank you for watching.